Hey friend, in this video we're going to answer two important questions. Question number one, what does cower mean? And question number two, how do we pronounce the word cower? Hey, let's jump right in and start learning English together. Cower is a verb and it means to pull back or shrink away in fear. Let me repeat that one more time. Cower is a verb and it means to pull back or shrink away in fear. If you like learning English words with me, be sure to click that like button so we can continue to learn with other people as well. Cower is a two-syllable word, and be sure to check out the phonetic spelling of the word at the bottom of the screen so you can better understand how to pronounce the word cower. Let's practice pronouncing the word cower together. I'm going to repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Cower, cower, cower. If you want to practice pronouncing the words again, repeat this section as many times as you need. Let's read some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word cower. Example number 1. After the first punch, the boxer cowered in his corner of the ring. After the first punch, the boxer cowered, shrank back in his corner of the ring. Example number 2. Brave men might be afraid, but they do not run away or cower from their enemy. Brave men might still be afraid, but they do not run away or cower, shrink away in fear from their enemy. Hey friend, I hope you do not cower or shrink away from learning English with me. Like I asked earlier, click that like button so we can continue to learn with other people as well. And check out these recommended videos, other words that you may or may not know, and keep practicing. I'll check you out in the next video. Bye.